Hello and welcome to Scotland Mushroom Forage and Fishing. Today I'm here with my son at Lochore Meadows, which is in Kinross and Perthshire.
It's in both. It's in the edge. It's very the beginning of Kinross and Perth.
Yeah, so it's between Kinross and Perth and Fife. So yeah, we're going to do some spinning here. It's a beautiful loch.
It's spinning and also fishing bait.
Yeah, and yeah, basically it's normally you would not need to buy a ticket for adults only, which is £5 a day for, I believe it's 5 fish, for trout and pike. Children under 16s are free, so it's great if your youngsters want to go fishing. It's free here. Just a stunning view. So let's have a look at the gear. My son just using little spinning rod with a little shad on the end. Tiny little brown shad, and we'll see how it goes. Let's see if he can cast out.
Well, I can cast, but what do you mean?
The weather's really nice, slight overcast, but it's quite warm. Well, maybe you can go down the bank a little bit. Huh? No, good. No, not from here. Yeah, we'll go down. Yeah, you can. It's not gonna. Yeah.
I gotta actually go down.
Yeah, you need to go down under the bank.
It's not weak.
Go to the other side, Nobel. Just hold them in. Now you gotta film me, Nobel. Came off, Nobel. Maybe another great spot. Come on. Okay, you can stop it now. Alright, this practice is casting. Still no fish. There you go. I've got my rod set up as well. Just using a shad as well. Where is it? Yeah, just using a little shad. So. We keep you posted if there's anything else happening. Beautiful evening. Ideal for youngsters. There's a playground up there. You can hire boats. Beautiful place. Wow. A bit cold for swimming. I'll try to zoom in. Wow. A bit cold, I think. Brave people. Or yeah, or you can do some kayaking here. So you can do a lot of out sports here. Outdoor sports, fishing, kayaking, you can hire boats, swimming. You can do all sorts. Nice to see people active. Hopefully we can catch a fish. For the fish.
terrible thing, they will just regret me and they won't give anything to me, yeah? I changed it to a spinner.
Yeah, put the text on.
There's not much wheat here,
No.
but on the other side there's weed.
Let's see.
I think I saw something, another fish, but something for fishing. If you could just hold the camera.
Yeah, hold on. They keep stopping now. Right, we finished fishing now. Unfortunately, we didn't catch anything, but we had a great time. Did you have a great time?
Yeah.
Good. We had some issues, some hang-ups, but overall, it was a nice evening for a couple of hours. Tomorrow, we're going to go back to Pedicure, doing some sea fishing. So hopefully you're going to join us there. And until then, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.